Wild animal's name in English. Zebra, zebra. Panther, panther. Yak, yak. Crocodile, crocodile. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Hyena, hyena. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Panda, panda. Gorilla, gorilla. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Fox, fox. Monkey, monkey. Bear, bear. Giraffe, giraffe. Wolf, wolf. Deer, deer. Elephant, elephant. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.